mga katango, welcome to Katiklan. Nasa Katiklan na po kami ngayon at kami po ay maglalanding na. Dito na po kami sa Katiklan. Thanks God at safe ang aming biyahe. Mag-ina ko tuwang-tuwa kasi nakasakay ng airplane. First time kasi nila nakasakay sa airplane. Mga naiigno-igno yung pag-take off, nagsigawan. Ayan, dito na po kami sa Katiklan. Papalanding na po kami. Airport ng Katiklan po kami bababa. Then sakay na naman ng tricycle or van papuntang Per para biyaheng Mindoro. Sobrang lamig. Sakay ng, ito yung sakay ng mga tao, sakay ng eroplano. Ano? Sobrang baba na namin sa ano. Talagang nakakabilib yung mga piloto. Nakakabilib yung mga piloto na ganito. Ano? Bilis na. Nakalandig na. Ayan na. Ayan mga katango, nakalanding na po kami. Ayan. Ayan. Dito na kami sa airport ng Katiklan. Sobrang pagod ng biyahe namin kasi galing pa kami ng Bohol.
For your safety, please remain seated until seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia Captain Kim Palis, First Officer Raymond Chua, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say
Yung kapitan
thank you
namin
for
dito,
flying
si
with
Kapitan
us.
Palis. Pinsan pala to ng ano ko yata. Ano kaya to ng
For passengers
barkada ko.
traveling with infants and were given infant life vest, please return them to your cabin crew upon the planing.
Mga
For
ignorante
safety
sa
reasons,
ano, ignorante sa aeroplano
For
first
safety
time nakasakay.
reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Thank you for your cooperation. Please follow the instructions of the staff and walk in a group along the walk.